Control your expectations. When you don't expect anything from humans and they do good to you, you feel happiness, pleasure, your elevated value, your regard, and your respect in their minds and hearts. Ultimately, you feel blessed and become thankful to Rabb Ta'ala and to those humans as well. On the other hand, if you expect from humans and they fulfill your expectations, then you don't feel such pleasure and happiness as you just feel as it's your right and you got it. While if they don't fulfill your expectations due to some reasons, then you get disappointed, sad, hopeless, and finally become unthankful and get angry to those humans. So never expect from humans and always expect from Lord and chill your life, being thankful to others without expecting from others.